We would like to inform you about natural disasters. The topic we will be discussing today is, of course, natural disasters, earthquakes, tsunamis, and volcanic eruptions in particular. We hope this video will allow you to be a natural disaster expert and be aware of how to survive these disasters.
First, we'll be focusing on earthquakes. Japan is known to have the most earthquakes in the world, and for us Japanese citizens, earthquakes are not so rare, and it's safe to say that we're used to it. But this makes us forget how threatening earthquakes really are. Approximately 2,000 earthquakes strike Japan every year. 200 of them are ones with more than an intensity value of 1, and especially in Tokyo, the disaster is more active than other regions. Even though buildings in Tokyo are built to be earthquake resistant, hundreds of people die of earthquakes every year, which shows that we need to be more prepared by having an emergency bag.
After an earthquake, there is a high chance of a tsunami coming. In fact, there is more than 40% chance of a potentially damaging tsunami occurring in the next 50 years. As you can see on the image on the left, a tsunami can swallow a whole city only a few minutes after an earthquake happening. Tsunamis occur a little less than earthquakes because some areas don't have a big mass of water around them. Even though it might be less likely than earthquakes, the after situation is worse. Tons of people get drowned or washed away by the destructive wave. Unfortunately, it causes the same or even more amounts of death than any other natural hazard, and the same amount of devastation of their closest relatives.
Lastly, volcanic eruptions can be extremely harmful. On average, a total of 15 volcanic events, including eruptions, occur every year in Japan. One example of such tragedy is the Sakurajima volcano, located in the southern prefecture of Kagoshima. Dozens of people have evacuated because of the volcano's spews and slush rocks. These harmful objects fell as far as 2.5 kilometers from the volcano, which is more than twice the actual height of the volcano. The image on the top right shows a card that was located near a volcano when it erupted. Ashes and rocks can be harmful for reasons such as getting burnt and getting hit by it. So it is recommended to stay inside a safe place and protect your windows by taking it across in order to protect the glass from shattering.
To sum up, we have discussed a few natural hazards that strike Tokyo. Our goal today was not just to inform you, but also to raise awareness of how important it is to be prepared for it. Natural disasters are the biggest threat for Japanese or Tokyo citizens, but they are not eager to fight for it, which is to be ready whenever it attacks. We hope this video will affect the way you see natural disasters and encourage you to be ready for it.
Thank you for listening.